So, another day, another luto gamit ang mga sangkap meron lang sa ating kusina. So, chicken burger craving? No problem, gawa tayo, homemade style. So, meron tayo dito, cucumber, tomatoes. Dahil wala tayong lettuce, gamit tayo ng cabbage. And then, of course, mayonnaise. And ang gagamitin nating patty ay Magnolia Templados Classic Burger. Baka naman. So, slice lang natin yung cabbage and gawa rin tayo ng ating homemade style sauce. So, mayonnaise, ketchup, garlic powder, pickles, at paminta. Bahala kayo kung gusto nyo lagyan ng mustard or kahit anong available. Of course, gawa din tayo ng homemade or own version ng coleslaw. So, I have here some cabbage na binalaan ko lang saglit ng water and cold water. And then, mayonnaise, pepper, pickles, and also sesame oil. Then, give it a good mix sa ating pan. Mag-fry lang tayo or i-toast lang natin ang ating buns. By the way, I'm using real butter. So, ayan. Wait lang natin ma-toast ng konti. This is the burger buns we're using. It's Valley bread. And mura lang siya. Pero, ang ganda ng quality and napaka-soft and napaka-sarap na compared to other branded brands. Baka naman. So, ayan. All set na. Gawa na tayo ng burger. So, first, lagay lang natin yung homemade style natin na sauce. Siyempre, dahil pambahay, damihan natin. And then, our chicken patty. You can also make your own chicken patty. Then, ayan, lagay na tayo ng another sauce. A layer of cheese. Sunod na rin natin ang cucumber. You can also add pickles here. Or tomatoes. By the way, malinis po ang kamay ko. Then, sunod na natin ang ating coleslaw. You can also put hot sauce. Remaining sauce. Then, there you go. Gawa na ang ating chicken burger. Napakasimple lang po, diba? Try na. Hindi na kailangan bumili. It's ready. Tara, kain na tayo.